Hello everyone, here's your food for thought today. Did you know that getting old is mandatory, but feeling older is a little bit more negotiable? Think about that for just a moment. My name's Ron. I'm with the Health Insurance Simplified YouTube channel. I also own the Integrity Agency, and I am coming to you outside with this beautiful view all around me, including the Atlantic Ocean in the background. Come along with me. We're going to take a quick walk today. So, growing older is mandatory, but feeling older is a little bit more negotiable, and we're going to talk about that today as we take a little walk. Bottom line, summer is now here, so get out. Take good care of yourself. That's the point of today's video. Did you know that your body will thank you? Your mind, your heart will thank you if you just get out. And my encouragement to you is to stay active. So, no matter what you do for your health insurance, you get it through a group employer plan, you're inside the healthcare marketplace, maybe you're in Medicare. Every one of those will offer you some incentive to stay healthy. Many times we forget the simple fact that staying physically healthy oftentimes impacts our mood, our memory, stress levels, confidence, and even risk of depression. Stay active, stay healthy. Here are some examples of how you can do that. Regular movement helps reduce anxiety, and mild depression symptoms improve with more sleep and as you get out more. Preventative screenings, you all have preventative screenings no matter where you get your health insurance from, and set some of that up. Most notably, it's your annual physical, now really called an annual wellness check. But make sure you've got that set up with your primary care. And there's so many other preventative procedures. Please, at the end of this video, go communicate with your health insurance plan and see what's under the preventative category. No matter where you get your insurance from, if it's under the category of preventative care, it has no cost share to you, meaning it's free as long as it's in network. Okay? Did you know most Medicare plans give you something called a wellness benefit? That is, if you have something called Medicare Advantage. If you have one of those plans, then oftentimes you have a free fitness benefit inside of it, sometimes called Renew Active, many times called Silver Sneakers. And depending on the state that you live in and where you're getting your Medicare Advantage plan from, you also have something called a wellness wallet, which is a great little benefit. It's where your Advantage plan actually tucks a little bit of money into your wellness wallet once a month, once a quarter, that you can actually pull out of that proverbial wallet and spend it on health and wellness items. It could be going to see your acupuncturist. It could be getting a massage. It could be running shoes. Or maybe you like to play pickleball or tennis. You can actually buy the health-related equipment that you use and then submit that invoice to your company for reimbursement if your Medicare plan has something called a wellness wallet or a fitness benefit. Make sure you're taking full advantage of that. So for me to encourage you today to stay active, to get out and enjoy your summer, listen to these facts. Did you know that walking 20 to 30 minutes a day could improve cardiovascular function and emotional health? Did you know that hydration can positively impact fatigue, confusion, and mood? Your body will thank you if you stay active. And bottom line, if you're staying active, trust me, you need to see the doctor less. Now, hopefully you're seeing your doctor regularly for those free preventative measures like your annual wellness check or annual mammogram. So, be sure you explore directly with your health insurance plan what benefits and incentives exist for you to stay healthy and active. Listen, now maybe your thing is not the gym, but maybe you like staying active. Pickleball is still all the rage. Maybe you like tennis, walking, bicycling, hiking a trail, whatever it may be. One of the biggest impacts of getting out and staying active is the socialization that occurs. Now, what do I mean by that? This, if you like to take a walk with a friend, if you like to go to the local pickleball court, bottom line, and that socialization can have a massive positive impact on your health this season. Now, thank you for stopping by this channel. Please make sure you take time to see all the other videos that are here for you to help simplify your health insurance questions. Be sure to take just a moment, wherever it is on the screen right now, click subscribe. That way you can come back often. And hey, you know what? Please take a moment at the end of this video. Please leave me some comments. I'll be sure to respond to them. And as I always like to say at this channel, stay active, be well. See you next time. Bye-bye now.